Hey, Ekene, me I'm tired though.
Are you tired?
Hey.
Just be patient. You can try it. No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Our relationship is very tired, I know.
This journey is long.
Hey, what will you do now? Ekene, I heard there are many things in this forest happening. Did you heard about this? Did you hear anything about this forest?
Of course I know. I know, Amaka. I know. I heard those voices when you are coming. Yeah. I heard strange voices in this forest too. I heard them. I heard them. So we are almost done tired now. Go.
What are you doing here? This forest. I'm gonna kill you. Leave here.
Madam,
wait.
Shut up. Close your hand.
I have seen ghosts. Jesus.
Shut up your mouth. We have seen death with our own naked eyes. Hey!
I can't believe
Madam.
it. I can't believe it.
What are you gonna do now?
You are shouting, my friend. You are shouting.
We go die. Let's follow this.
Where's my sister? Oh, my sister Emaka. Oh, Emaka, I lost my sister. Oh, I lost my sister. Oh, Emaka, where are you? My sister Emaka. Oh, I lost my sister. Oh, what can I tell my mother? Oh, let's go. Ameenda wapi? Hatujui njia. Tunapitia wapi? Tawapata aje?